Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula, the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And occasionally I sprinkle in a little lifestyle vlogs. And welcome to another try on haul.
Giddy up, giddy up. That's that ball drop.
Today's try on haul, I am featuring pieces from Fashion Nova. If you don't know, Fashion Nova is one of my favorite places to shop, simply because I can always find something for whatever occasions, whatever event that I'm attending. I almost always can find something from Fashion Nova. All of these pieces that I'm showing you today, I purchased back in March. March is my birthday month. So at the beginning of the month, I kind of was looking for a birthday fit to wear because this was my milestone year. Y'all already know your girl 50 and Fabulous. I wanted a look to commemorate the occasion. And I knew I could find that with Fashion Nova. All of these pieces are from March. Whatever I can find, I will link in the description box. This video is not sponsored. I will not make any coins if you click a link. Anything that I link in the description box, it is out of pure love for you all, okay? So make sure you like the video, leave me a comment. We need YouTube to continue to push out the videos. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Finish watching the video first, but make sure you click that subscribe button and do share. Sharing means caring. Now let's get into this haul, girl. First up is this super cute jumpsuit. I told y'all I made this purchase back in March. And if you follow me and if you have watched my birthday vlogs, you have seen this look. That's why I'm starting off with this one. This was actually the jumpsuit that I wore to brunch with my family. I kept it simple with the classic black one and done jumpsuit. Jumpsuits are my jam. I love a jumpsuit. And this jumpsuit, I love the way it hugs the body. She has plenty of stretch. The material is a nice material. It's not that thin see-through style material. Now she has a zipper in the back. Chloe is asleep and I don't have anyone else here to zip it up, but this is the back. She zips all the way up to the top. She is very fitting to the body. This belt actually can go to the back. But honey, I can't do the back. I didn't want to do the back. I needed her to the front because to the back, it was just going to make this look too something. I don't know. So I just tied her up to the front and I actually like her like this better. She has shoulder pads on the inside. If you are not a shoulder pad girl, you could take the shoulder pads out. But yeah, super cute look. I forgot to mention I am wearing a size large because with Fashion Nova, I always check the product details. I check the material. If the spandex is 5% or more, I wear a large. If it's less, I get an extra large. I have another jumpsuit. I told y'all jumpsuits are my jam. I actually wanted to wear this look instead of the black jumpsuit that I wore. I really wanted to wear this one. I ordered it in an extra large. It's a little bit big here. It's a little bit big up in here. It might not look like it, but the fit is not fitting the way that I wanted it to fit. And she is extremely long. I am short. I am only 5'3", but honey, this jumpsuit is super long. And I didn't have the time to get her altered the way that I needed it. I waited, I procrastinated, so I didn't do it and I couldn't wear her. But I kept it. I did not want to send it back because I'm like, I could wear that another time. She is full of stretch. And that's why with this extra large, I was saying she don't fit quite like I want her to. I really need to get her taken in a little bit, like up in this area, definitely up in here, because she's super loose right up in this area. She's loose here too, but not as much as this side, the side without the straps. And let me show you the back. She zips up the back here. And I don't know if you could tell, but this looseness here, honey, I want this to fit like a glove because that's the kind of material it is. So I need it to fit like it's supposed to fit. This right here, this is connected. It looked like it's an opening, like it's something over it, but this is actually connected to the jumpsuit. Super cute. and another jumpsuit. I knew I wanted to wear a jumpsuit for my birthday. However, I didn't know which one I wanted to wear. So I ordered 3 different jumpsuits. Now, she might not be your style, but she's definitely mine. And these sleeves, they caught my attention. And I was thinking, I could definitely rock that jumpsuit. And once it got here and I tried her on, I was like, she's cute. And I could definitely wear her for something, but it wasn't for my birthday. But she's still cute, just wasn't cute for that occasion. She is a size extra large. Like I said, I love these sleeves. They have elastic around here, so they feel and they fit good. And you can pull them up as high as you want. You can pull them down a little bit longer, but now I need them up here because I want that poofy look. You know, I like that poofy look. She zips up the back. Again, I couldn't zip her all the way up. And she is a good material as well. Actually, this jumpsuit and the other 2 jumpsuits that I just tried on, all 3 of them are the same material. And it's that nice, stretchy material that conforms to your body when you put them on. So I don't have to get any alterations other than cutting hem. A lot of Fashion Nova pieces, especially the pants, the jumpsuits, the 2-piece sets, honey, the length, all of them are tall girl friendly. So that's good for someone that's tall. For someone that's not, like me, I have to spend additional money. And sometimes I spend a little bit more than what the outfit was actually worth. But hey, I will do it because it's cute. I want to rock it. And when I rock it, I need it to be right. And she does have this tie. This comes loose. I just tied her up. She's cute. She's cute. There's nothing else I can say about her. I don't have another jumpsuit. This is a super cute maxi dress. Here lately, I have not been doing too many dresses, like maxi dresses. They just haven't been part of my rotation other than church. But when I saw this one, I thought, that's cute. I'll wear that. I want that dress. So I ordered her. And actually, to my surprise, I did not expect it to be this material. I don't know exactly what material it is, but it's kind of like a sweater style, but not quite sweater. I don't know. I really don't know what kind of material it is, but this is just a super cute dress. Let me let you see the back. I love this dress. I don't know, y'all. It's not really sweater material, but she's almost kind of see-through a little bit. I don't know, but I like her and I will wear her. Of course, I can't wear her to church unless I put something over my shoulders, because I'm not wearing my shoulders out to church. Like, I'm not doing this. So anyway, she does contain lots of stretch. Like, she feels really good on the body. I don't even remember what size she is. I know she's either a large or an extra large. Or she has this little peekaboo keyhole here. And yeah, and she's just perfect for this summer weather because y'all, we are officially in summer now. Like, we are already halfway through the year. So this time is going by so fast. But anyway, y'all, I love this dress. I love it. I love it. Before I get into the look, I want y'all to see these earrings. I picked up these earrings in this silver color as well as gold. So if you are a girl that loves a statement earring, these are super cute. I absolutely love them. And now the outfit. Y'all, this is actually my favorite out of this entire haul. And y'all know I love a jumpsuit, but this 2-piece set, this set is cute. I absolutely love it. Now, it was actually 3 pieces that came together. It was this top, the Bermuda style shorts, and a belt, because the shorts has belt loops all the way around. But I don't need the belt. She has bare minimum stretch. And when I say I don't need a belt to keep these up, I don't need a belt. It has the clasp right here, functioning zipper, blazer style top. These are not functioning pockets. These flaps are just here to look like you have pockets on there, but they're not functioning. And this is the back. Oh, she does have pockets. The shorts have pockets. No pockets on the back. These are not functioning pockets. It look like pockets, but they don't work. And yeah, honey, this is it. I love this set. This is cute and sexy, revealing with a little class. And this is the last look of this Fashion Nova try-on haul. A two-piece set. Baby, I love everything about this two-piece set. This color, she is buttery soft, super stretchy, but these pants, honey, these pants will show every imperfection that your legs have. So definitely whenever I wear this, I have to have a body shaper underneath. But I'm wearing a size large, and I love the fact that she covers the bottom. That is a plus to this set. She is full of stretch. I love this top. Like, she feels so good against the skin. This is not a tall girl friendly set. I know I just said the pants at Fashion Nova are extremely long, but not these leggings, honey. They are not long at all. So if you are taller than I am, I don't know what to tell you. You probably could wear them as capris or crop, like in between, but I don't think these are tall girl friendly. This set comes in an array of colors. I have this one in this pink. I have it in cobalt blue, and I have it in olive green. I wanted black. I don't know about you, but black is always a must in my wardrobe, and the black was sold out, so I couldn't get her in black. And I never did check back to see if she was available, but like I say, so many colors, and if you are a set girl, grab her up and get every color that's in your size. And this set is very affordable. And girl, that is it. That is the end of this Fashion Nova try-on haul. I want to thank you for rocking with me today. I want to thank you for all of your support. Y'all have been showing me so much love on all of my fashion videos. And I need y'all to let me know, what more do you want? Like, what do you want to see? Do you want to see more try-on hauls, more outfit ideas? Like, let me know what you would like to see in the comments. And don't forget, whatever is available and whatever I can link will be in the description box. Make sure you like the video, leave me a comment. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And girl, tell a friend to tell a friend all about the Boutique Baddies YouTube channel. I will see each one of you in the next video. Adios.
That's that keep going. That's that never stop. Giddy up, giddy up.